Convert true to true JSON Python. I'm reading JSON which has a boolean. When loading the file in Python with json.load, I get true, I've read the specs. As I understood, I need to use json.dumps to handle this. My dumps look like this. And my load like this. When printing data, I get. My question is, how do I convert the true to true after loading the JSON file? Later in my code, I use the .iteritems to get all the keys and values. If I write like this, it will print out. But then I can't do, because I get this error. How can I fix this? Edit. Here is the code. I am using argument parser, where directory could be c/mydir/dir1 and json_path, c:/mydir/dir1/my json.json. Json contains. Function tries to find xyz in a file. Let's say it finds it in the file, myfile.txt, which contains. I wanna replace false with true if the name matches. The expected output in myfile.txt should be. The regfile name finds the name xxyz by using regex++.
I believe you misunderstand the roles of json.loads and json.dumps, and their cousins, json.load and json.dump. json.dumps, or json.dump, converts a Python object to a string or file, which is formatted according to the JSON standard. json.loads or json.load converts a string or file in JSON format to the corresponding Python object. Consider this program. Of course, one cannot .iteritems, the result of .dumps. The result of .dumps is a str, not a dict. However, you can transmit that str via file, socket, or carrier pigeon to another program, and that other program can .loads it to turn it back into a Python object. Returning to your question, how do I convert the true to true after loading the JSON file? You do so by converting it back to JSON. Edit. You've posted a larger part of your program in your question, which makes it more apparent where the problem lies. If I were you, I'd do one of two things. One, I'd modify write to file like so. Or, 2. I'd modify json.json like so.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.